Hey everybody, so we are in Great Basin National Park, and this is some of the scenery on Wheeler Peak on the scenic drive. It's beautiful. You can see some fall leaf color changing. So if you want to follow along with our trip, be sure to check out our previous video where we hiked to the Bristlecone Pines and then the Alpine Lakes Loop. What we're doing now is we're going to go and hike Baker Creek Trail. So if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. This is our 41st national park that we visited. And in December, we're going to be hitting Big Bend National Park. All right, so we had a really good lunch at the National Park kind of cafe near the Lehman Caves Visitor Center. Now we're going to hike the Baker Creek Loop. So to get to this, you have to go down a dirt road, but it's very nicely maintained. So we're about 8,000 feet elevation right now. We're going to try this Baker Creek Trail. Okay, Baker Creek Trailhead this way. So the National Park Service rates the Baker Creek Loop as a moderate trail. It's basically a forested walk that takes you out into a meadow, and there are some steep sections here. You're going to have about 850 feet of elevation change. This shouldn't really be any big deal, but we are quite tired from the previous hike that we did this morning, so we'll have to see how it goes. So if you enjoyed the sounds of a rushing creek, then you're going to love the Baker Creek Loop. It goes past several different creek areas, and almost the whole time you're hiking, you can hear the roar of the creek, and it's really relaxing. So there are a number of rocks along this section of the trail, and you're going to need them. We've been sitting down every so often taking breaks because this is an elevation change of 800 in a relatively short period of time. You're at about 8,000 feet elevation, so it is tough going. And then also considering we did the other super long hike today to the Bristlecones, the glacier, the Alpine lakes. So combined with that, this is like tough going, but this is our last day in Great Basin. We really want to check out this loop, so we're gonna keep going here. I'm at the point now where if we turned around and went back, kind of be the same mileage if we just keep going. So just slow and steady, taking lots of breaks here, and trying to make the best of this very steep uphill section. So we're going downhill at this section of the trail, and it's much needed. So my husband and I were kind of calculating the mileage. So we've done about 12 miles today when we're finished with this trail, and we are wiped out. Just getting up early, not being quite acclimated to the higher elevation. It's been a lot of fun, but it's also been exhausting. So this is our last hike here at Great Basin, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm looking forward to getting back to the car and putting this one in the books. There really are just beautiful views all around you on this trail, and then just very cool, different desert plant life and things that you don't normally get to see. So these are the kind of views you're gonna see on this section of the Baker Creek Trail. Pretty great views. All right, so thanks for coming along with us and hiking the Baker Creek Loop, checking that out with us. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment for us. If you're interested in national park stuff, we've been to quite a lot of national parks, and our next national park is gonna be Big Bend National Park. Our next national park is going to be Big Bend National Park in Texas, and we're going there in December. And because we can visit at a time that's accommodating to the school calendar, our kids will be with us on that trip. So I'm really looking forward to showing you all of that. But if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you come along with us. We do a lot of hiking, kayaking, just outdoor stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.